In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Google Sheet into Google BigQuery in just 5 minutes. This process is invaluable for anyone looking to harness the powerful data query capabilities of BigQuery using data stored in readily accessible Google Sheets. Let's get started with this quick guide. First, open up your web browser and search for the Google Cloud Console. Once you find it in your search results, click the link to open it. Before we dive further into this process, ensure that your Google Sheet is prepared properly. A well-prepared Google Sheet should have clean and consistently formatted data. It's always best practice to include column headers in the very first row. This makes it easier when you're mapping out your data in BigQuery later on. Once you're in the Google Cloud Console, navigate to the BigQuery page. This is where you'll be managing all your data sets and tables for your project. Within BigQuery, you'll find the Explorer pane where you'll need to select the project you're working on. After that, expand your project to find and select the relevant dataset you want to use or create a new dataset if necessary. With your dataset selected, look for the Dataset Info section on your screen. You'll see an option there to Create Table. Click on that. Under the Source section that appears, you are given a choice for where your data is coming from. Since you're importing data from Google Sheets, choose Drive as your source. This option allows BigQuery to pull data directly from the Google Drive where your Google Sheet resides. Now find the Select Drive URI field. In this space, you'll need to paste the full URL of your Google Sheet. Make sure you grab the correct URL to ensure no connection issues. Next up, you'll need to specify the file format. Here, select Google Sheet because that's exactly what you're working with. After confirming your source data, take a moment to check the Project dataset and provide a table name for the new table you're creating in BigQuery. This helps in organizing your data and ensures it goes to the right place. Make sure the table type is set to External Table, which allows BigQuery to query your Google Sheet data without physically loading it into BigQuery's storage. If your Google Sheet is well formatted and includes headers, you can choose Auto Detect for the schema. This tells BigQuery to automatically determine the structure of your data based on your sheet's formatting. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort in manual setup. Finally, to complete this process, click the Create Table button. This will import your Google Sheet as a BigQuery table, ready for you to run advanced queries and data analyses. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your Google Sheet into Google BigQuery. This foundational skill will undoubtedly empower you to engage with your data more dynamically. Thank you for following along, and happy querying!